Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to start crocheting if you're a beginner. So of course you're going to need yarn. You're going to need a yarn needle. This is a 5mm yarn hook. So we're going to do a slip knot, and slip knot is key because that's how you start crocheting. So basically you do what I'm showing you. You flip it down and you pull. If I move too fast, I'm gonna be showing you again. So basically, you take the yarn, you basically twist it over and pull it down to make a pretzel shape, and put the loop under and over and pull. Then you're going to take your finger, wrap around once, wrap around twice, whatever's comfortable for you. Hold on to where you made the slip knot, and you're going to yarn over and pull through the loop. You're going to yarn over again, pull through the loop, yarn over, continue pulling through the loop. Now, it doesn't have to be as tight, or if you feel like it's too loose, that's fine. You're just starting out. It's just, for practice. So basically, you're going to just find whatever way is comfortable for you. If you feel like it's too tight on your hand for 2 loops, then you can loosen it up, or you can do one hand. You can put it between your fingers, but just find what mechanism is more comfortable for you. And here I'm going to show you once again what to do, because this is just beginner, so it's just early stages. Twist, put the yarn over the one side, pull it down to a pretzel, wrap it around your finger, and you're going to start chaining. And this is what it's called, chaining. So you're yarning over and making chains. And later on, when you start learning patterns, you'll understand, like chain 1, chain 2. This is how you make your chain. You're going to just keep yarning over and pulling through the open hole on your crochet needle. You can start with whatever crochet needle you want. I use Timu yarn right now, but yep, this is how you do it. So this is your tutorial. Please make sure you subscribe for more.